Hey guys, I am super excited to share with y'all a product that we carry here at the Chalkboard and Gifts. It's called Better Than Paper, and it's a bulletin board roll. And so as you can see, it writes on and wipes off surface. It does not tear or show staple holes. You can use it again and again, and each roll comes with 12 feet. And so really quick, I'm just going to show you some of the different patterns we carry. We have this gold shimmer and a burlap, chalkboard, white wood, some clouds, and then beyond that we have some of the basic colors. We have like the yellow, blue, lime green, white and black, and a teal, hot pink. And so hopefully anything you're doing, we have a color that will work for you. And then if you want to come in and check them out, we have these sample pieces. And I have written on here with some dry erase marker, and as you can see, it wipes right off, no problem. Clean, clear, good as new. Some really cool stuff, guys. So just come check it out. It's called Better Than Paper. It's really neat. I look forward to seeing you here at the Chalkboard and Gifts.